back to my channel. Today is BoxyCharm Day. BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription service. For $21 a month, you get 5 full-size products that are always amazing. And every month they send you a theme. This month's theme is Galaxy Glow. And on the back is a complete list of every item you get and prices and a description in case you don't know what to do with it. So, what's in here? The first is this silver tube. This is by Pure Cosmetics. Lip Plumping Lip Exfoliator. Well, it's definitely a lip exfoliator. We'll see if it plumps before we get to my lipstick. Okay, so next out of the bag, there's a huge package in here, and it is brushes. These are from Crown Cosmetics, and they're each individually packaged as well as in their package. So there's an eyeshadow brush, a, I don't know, blush brush probably, and then a face brush. Let's see how they work. Now these look a lot like Wet n Wild brushes. I suspect Wet n Wild does their own brushes, but Crown Brush is a company that does lines. So like if you wanted to have your name put on a brush, you could actually call Crown Brush and say, hey, I want to make brushes of my own with my own name on it, and you can pick through a catalog of brushes and pick some out. I gotta say, these brushes are okay. They're not my favorite in the world. They're picking up a ton of my foundation. This is not the type of brush that I use normally. So I guess I'll probably use this more as a contour brush, and I have no idea what I'm gonna do with this one. So let's see what else is in the box. Ooh, Color FX. This is Shimmering Veil in Amethyst, and look at that beautiful color. Ooh, so pretty. I already have on purple eye makeup. This is my purple eye makeup from my Ipsy bag. I don't know which will go up first, but if this goes up first, you'll see me put this on from my Ipsy bag. Wow, that is super pretty and super fun to play with, especially with this eye look I already had going on. It doesn't appear to pick up your eyeshadow, which some of these do, like some of this type of stuff does. This is what I would use it for. I don't know what other people use it for, but that color there, I don't see me putting it on my face unless like I had some crazy thing I was going to. Next is by Vintage Cosmetics, and this is just an eyeliner. I haven't done any eyeliner. I don't know what I think of this exactly. I don't love it, that's for certain. It's not going to be a favorite of mine. I don't know that I will use this much, so I may sharpen this and pass it on to my sister-in-law or something, just because it's just a regular old eyeliner, and I've got a zillion of them that I like better than that one. Okay, the last thing in here, well, there's two things, is the Ofra palette, magnetic palette. It opens like so, which is awesome. And we can stick our individual pans in there, and they sent you an individual pan of blush in Winter Rose Glow, and it looks like that. That is a really deep brown. So if you don't know how these work, you just take your pan out and just stick them right in there, and they stick right on because they're magnetic. This seems to have just a faint bit of shimmer in it. Is that a matte? No, it's got a faint bit of shimmer in it. It's just a teeny bit dark for me. Not so much that I won't wear it, and I may really like it for the summer. But right now, I'm gonna use it more like a contour under the blush I already have on. I can always use these, so while this isn't as exciting as like a lot of things are, actually for me, this is gonna be super useful. Well, it's not like, oh my god, yay, I got a palette. It is like, hey, I'll actually use this a lot. So thank you, BoxyCharm, for giving me something super, super useful. You get excited about the highlights and everything, and you forget that you need things that actually, you know, hold your makeup. The Ofra palette and blush palette itself is $19, and the blush was $12. The color Veil, FX Veil in Amethyst is $28. Vintage Cosmetics, the eyeliner pencil I was not thrilled with, is $21. Why is this $21? I'm gonna have to look up online and see if like there's something this does that I don't know about, because it says it's a smoky eye pencil, which I assume means that you can like smudge it out, but I can smudge out lots of these that cost like $5 that I like better. The Pure X Complexion Authority Lip Plumping and Exfoliating Stick is $17. If you look in a video up here, you'll see a video for a lip scrub that I personally love, and this does seem to have plumped my lips a little bit, but you know, add a little peppermint to that recipe, it will plump your lips also. And then the Crown Trio brush set is $29.99, and I'll be honest, this is probably the least favorite brush set I've gotten from these guys. I don't hate it. It isn't a set that's gonna work for me because I just don't care for how these are built. That's it. That's a personal preference of mine. They're not bad brushes. I will probably pass these along because I know lots of people who will love these. It's just not me. And that's okay. I don't have to love everything that comes in my box all the time. I'm kind of okay with loving a couple things and then being like, on another. Let's see what happens when I put on a little bit of lip tint. And this is real shimmery. It's just got a slight nudie color to it and then a bunch of sparkle. I like it. I think it's pretty. I like it with the eye look I have today. Very simple look, but that's okay. Let me know if you guys get BoxyCharm and what you got in your BoxyCharm, because I saw some of you have gotten highlight packets that look really interesting, although I'm kind of glad I actually got the Z palette, because even though it's not as exciting and fun as highlight is, it is more useful to me because I have very little use for multicolored highlight. And I do already have a couple. So I'm really happy. As always, BoxyCharm is freaking amazing. For 21 bucks a month, you honestly can't beat it. I mean, for this alone right here, and I will use the heck out of this. I think this was 28 bucks. Yeah, love this. And I'll put up how much the box was somewhere up there. Yeah, I love hearing from you guys in the comments and what you guys think of your BoxyCharm and all of that. Let me know. I like talking to you guys. Like, subscribe, and share. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!